In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the device name in Teamviewer, whether you're using it for work, remote support, or personal use. Having clear and identifiable names for your devices is essential, especially when you're managing multiple connections. Changing a device name in Teamviewer can help you keep your devices organized, making it easy to identify and connect to them whenever necessary. Now, let's get started. First, launch the Teamviewer application on your local machine. Take a moment to ensure that you're logged in with the appropriate account credentials, since these steps will only work if you're logged in. If you're not already familiar, Teamviewer is a remote access and control software, and once opened, you'll be greeted with its user-friendly interface, which is designed for quick navigation and easy access to its numerous features. With Teamviewer open, direct your attention to the left side of the application where you will find several options. Among them, you'll see the Devices section. Click on it to proceed. This section is crucial as it lets you manage all your connected devices. Once you've clicked on Devices, you will see a comprehensive list of all the equipment you've previously connected with Teamviewer. Next, go through the list and locate the specific device whose name you want to change. If you're dealing with a large number of devices, consider using the search function at the top of the list to quickly find the one you're aiming to rename. Once you've pinpointed the device, take a close look at it and you'll notice an ellipsis symbol, often represented by 3 dots, aligned next to it. This subtle button holds the key to editing your device details. Click on this ellipsis, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various actions that you can perform for the device in question. Among these options, select Edit. The Edit function allows you to change several settings related to the device, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on altering the device name. Now that you're in the Edit mode, you will see a field labeled Alias. Here is where the current name of the device is displayed. Click on the Alias field, select the current name, and proceed to type in your desired new name for the device. Take your time and enter a name that's descriptive and easy to remember. Finally, after entering the new alias, look for the Save button and click on it to confirm your changes. It's crucial to save this step, as neglecting it would mean your changes won't take effect. Once saved, the device will reflect its new name, and you can rest assured knowing your Teamviewer device list is now better organized and easier to navigate. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a device name in Teamviewer. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.